Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Math Cracker Holi. I am Animesh Sen. In this channel, I specially upload videos related to the math of class 11, 12, BCom BSc Engineering and higher class. If you like these videos, then please subscribe, share and like the channel. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the binomial distribution, mean and variance of binomial distribution. Let's start. As we know that in a binomial distribution, probability x equals to r, x is the random variable which follows binomial distribution, r be the number of success, then probability x equal to r is equal to NCR q to the power n minus r into p to the power r, where small p be the probability of success and small q be the probability of failure, and p plus q equals to 1, n be the number of trial. Okay. Now mean or expectation is equal to Ex summation r equal to 0, capital R equals to 0 to n NCR r into NCR q to the power n minus r into p to the power r. Okay. As we know that q plus p whole to the power n equal to q to the power n nc1 q to the power n minus 1 into p plus nc2 q to the power n minus 2 into p square and ncn into p to the power n from binomial theorem. Q plus p whole to the power n equals to q to the power n plus nc1 q to the power n minus 1 into p plus nc2 into q to the power n minus 2 into p square plus dot dot up to ncn into p to the power n. Differentiate it by partially with respect to p. Differentiating partially with respect to p. Therefore, n into q plus p whole to the power n minus 1 as ddx of x to the power n equals to n into x to the power n minus 1. q to the power n is the constant as we differentiate it partially with respect to p. Therefore, 0 nc1 into q to the power n minus 1 into 1 nc2 into q to the power n minus 2 into 2p and so on, ncn n into p to the power n minus 1. Okay. Now we multiplying this by p, n p into q to the power q plus p to the power n minus 1 nc1 q to the power n minus 1 into p nc2 q to the power n minus 2 into 2 plus 2 into p square and up to ncn n into p to the power n. Okay. Now we put number 1 result. Therefore, from right hand side, we can write summation r equal to 0 to n 1 into r into ncr into q to the power n minus r into p to the power r. When r equal to 0, 0 into something out. When r equal to 1, 1 into nc1 q to the power n minus 1 into p to the power 1. When r equal to 2, 2 into nc2 into q to the power n minus 2 into p square. Okay. Therefore, from right hand side, we get summation r equal to 0 to n r into ncr into q to the power n minus r into p to the power r is equal to np into q plus 1 whole to the power n minus 1, as p plus q equal to 1, 1 to the power n minus 1. Therefore, np, which is the mean ex or expectation of binomial distribution. Okay, ex equals to summation summation r equal to 0 to n r into ncr into q to the power n minus r into p to the power r. Ex equal to this is equal to np. Therefore, mean equal to np, mean or expectation. Okay. Now we have to find the value of variance of the binomial distribution. Now we differentiate partially again of the relation 1. We differentiate partially relation 1 with respect to p n u into v. 1 into q to the power q plus p whole to the power n minus 1 plus p into n minus 1 into q plus p whole to the power n minus 2 is equal to nc1 into q to the power n minus 1 into 1, 2 into nc2 into q to the power n minus 2 into 2p. Only p is the function, as we differentiate it partially with respect to p. And similarly plus ncn into l square p to the power n minus 1. Okay. Now we multiply it by P. Np into q plus p whole to the power n minus 1 np square n minus 1 np square into n minus 1 into q plus p whole to the power n minus 2 and is equal to nc1 into q to the power n minus 1 into p plus 2 square nc2 into q to the power n minus 2 into p square and up to n square ncn into p to the power n. We put p plus q equals to 1 into the left hand side. Np plus np square into n minus 1 is equal to summation r equal to 0 to n r square 1 square r square ncr into q to the power n minus r into p to the power r. When r equal to 0, 0 into something out. When r equal to 1, 1 square into nc1 into q to the power n minus 1 into p to the power 1. When r equal to 2, 2 square nc2 into q to the power n minus 2 into p square and so on. Okay. Therefore, ex square is equal to np plus n square p square minus np square. Okay. Now, as we know that variance x is equal to ex square minus ex whole square. Okay. Ex square means np plus n square p square minus np square. Ex means np whole square, np square p square, n square p square. And taking np as common from these two, 1 minus p. As we know that p plus q equals to 1, therefore q equals to 1 minus p. Putting this value into 1 into this np into q, therefore variance equal to npq, and that of standard deviation is d equals to root under npq. Okay, very easy. If any doubt, please comment me, and thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.